Uh, Come now, you rich men, weep and howl aloud, for the miseries coming. Tear down your pride so proud. Your riches are rotted, your glory has decayed. The moths ate your clothes, the garments that you made. Your gold and your silver are rusted and cold, a fierce testimony of the lies that you sold. Their rust eats your flesh like a burning fire bright. You hoarded your treasure in the last days of night. For the judge is now standing right at the door. Oh, the fire consumes what you stored on the floor. You fatten your hearts for the day of the slaughter. Oh, but hear the deep cry over land and the water. The reaper, the mower, their wages delayed. Their cries reach the Lord of hosts. The dead must be paid. Look, the wages of laborers who mow down your field, kept back by your fraud, their pain is revealed. The Lord of Sabaoth has heard their loud cry while you lived in luxury under the sky. You condemned and you murdered the innocent one. He offered no resistance, yet his life is now done. Be patient, my brothers, until the Lord comes again, like a farmer who waits for the harvest and rain. For the judge is now standing right at the door. Oh, the fire consumes what you stored on the floor. You fatten your hearts for the day of the slaughter. Oh, but hear the deep cry over land and the water. The reaper, the mower, their wages delayed. Their cries reach the Lord of hosts. The dead must be paid. Do not grumble against one another. Be strong. The judge is right here. It won't take very long. Take the prophets as examples of suffering and pain, who spoke in his name through the wind and the rain. We count them as blessed, the ones who endured. You heard of Job's patience, of the promise assured. Above all, my brothers, do not swear by an oath. Let your yes be a yes, and your no be a no. Is anyone suffering? Let that person pray. Is anyone cheerful? Sing psalms through the day. Is anyone sick? Call the heavens to come. Anoint them with oil in the name of the Son. The prayer of true faith will restore the weak soul. The Lord will raise them, forgive and make whole. Confess all your sins, pray for help, pray for grace. The prayer of the righteous has power in this place. Elijah was human, with feelings like ours. He prayed for no rain, and it stopped for the hours. 3 years and 6 months, the earth remained dry. He prayed once again, and rain fell from the sky. If a brother strays far from the truth that you know, and someone brings him back to the way he should go, Remember, a soul is saved from the grave. A multitude of sins is covered by the grave.